Hi everyone, Greg, your car angel here. If you cleaned your engine and it's running rough or it's having trouble starting and your check engine light has come on afterwards, chances are that it's your mass airflow sensor. Now there's a lot of other little connections here that could possibly be the problem on a fuel injection engine, but I find that most problems are from this, and this occurs if you do not properly protect all of the electrical connections on your engine prior to cleaning it. In my video titled How to Clean an Engine, I show you how to do that. So now in this case, I had someone else do the engine detail. They didn't protect that, had the check engine light come on afterwards, and now I'm going to go ahead and clean this out, and then I'll reset the check engine light and we'll be good to go. On most cars, the mass airflow sensor comes off pretty easily. So on this one, I'm just having to press in the two areas and out it comes. So there's your pin connector right there. So getting that out of the way, I'm now going to remove this between the two intake hoses. So once I've loosened up both of these, now I just need to get to the mass airflow sensor. Okay, so this is your mass airflow sensor, and inside there, this is what gets either clogged, or in the case of having moisture get in there, it will somehow penetrate into these areas. So now what we're going to be using is a mass airflow sensor cleaner. What you don't want to be using is WD-40 or contact cleaner. That is not the cleaning solution that you should be using inside this component. So with the mass airflow sensor and the housing, we're just going to spray that, okay? And then on the inside, you can see the sensor itself, and that has to stay nice and clean. In fact, I do this every time I change the air filter. You want to get that, and then you'll see the screen, and then I just spray the screen clean like that. Okay, so you want to also get inside there, and you want to be upwind from this because this stuff is pretty powerful and you don't want to be inhaling it. So you want to get up off all of the residual of this in both ends of this. So I tend to shake this out, get this out, give it a little time to dry, and then we're going to reassemble that. When putting this component back in, you want to make sure that you get the airflow in the right direction. In this case, there is an arrow there that shows you which way the airflow should be going. And I'm going to go ahead and put this back in there. There. And make sure that this clicks. So now that that's nice and tight, we're going to go ahead and clear the P0507 code that came up. That's a high idle code that came up on this particular car from this being compromised. I'm going to reset that and then drive the proverbial 20 or 30 miles. That'll reset the ECU and we'll be good to go. So other areas other than the mass airflow sensor that could be vulnerable to water penetration during an engine detail would be any place where you see obvious electrical connections. You have one here, you have another one right here, and then you have another one here. So you have to just look around the engine and locate these. The way that I handle that is I spray some WD-40 on each one of these and then wrap it in heavy-duty aluminum foil. That helps protect each one of these areas from any possibility of water penetration. So I'm Greg, your car angel. Thanks for watching this video on how to change a mass airflow sensor and the trouble codes that come with detailing an engine. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe. I appreciate that. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.